This is a quick tour of resources available to you on the web. Faculty tutorials for Blackboard are quickly accessible through the Blackboard login page. If you just log out of Blackboard, this screen comes up and you'll see the faculty tutorials under resources. You can also directly access the help desk here. Let's click into tutorials and look at academic integrity resources. You could link to a tutorial on interpreting SafeAssign reports. You could also search all tutorials by going into the knowledge base, which will require you to log in. And here's the knowledge base. You can click around in here and access many different tutorials, or search on a search term. Maybe you're looking for something on Respondus Lockdown Browser. On the online teaching resources page, Carrie and I have curated a number of items: course prep steps, issuing final grades, combining course shells. We link to these in many emails we send out, just-in-time emails. Tech tools for community engagement. We'll be linking a lot of resources from today's webinar here as well. Also on this page, in addition to these tips, we have some resources. We have live binders where you can look for information. You want to contact payroll. You want to contact Carrie or myself. You want to find out more about issuing final grades. Other resources here. We have another one on policies for classroom management. For example, incomplete grades, grade changes, academic integrity, concerns about a student, whether it's academic or personal concerns. We also want to invite you to register for upcoming workshops and events. CETL hosts a lot of events, including self-paced workshops, Blackboard, online teaching, classroom and online or webinars. Some of these are week-long webinars held asynchronously. Faculty Resource Center, another page with many resources for you. Direct links, find out information about your end-of-course surveys, access the early alert referral, which is through the care team. And there is a Blackboard repository as well. Best practice examples here. Faculty development archives as well.